Superior, brother. Superior. I didn't tell you about the camera because I knew it would buckle you up.
Oh. Well, I wish the bike would come back to me to get it on camera.
Wait.
Yeah, I believe this could be a fish.
Right, well, we've waited a long time. Lost it? No?
Yeah, something there. There it is on the surface, it's a ray.
It's a ray. Oh, it's flat. Oh, it's a ray. I can see the tail kicking.
I can see it.
Right.
It's just coming through a little bit of weed now.
Okay, I'm gonna go down and collect it, right?
Skating in along the top, obviously, anyway.
She is. What type of ray is it though? Oh, it's a bit bigger than last time. Alright, I can't get it yet anyway. We are the king of the spotteds. Lovely spotted ray. Much bigger than the last couple we had. Yeah. Much nicer fish.
Lovely, man, I'm happy with that. I'll have a little close up on these eyes.
Yeah, beautiful. See them in the light like that.
Yeah, lovely fish, man. Yeah, I knew the old up and over would do its job. Look, see, here's me worrying about it not unclipping.
It's a nice size one too.
So there she is, a spotted ray of probably about 2.5 pounds, something like that. Caught on a single sand eel with a strip of bluey, just with a backbone in it, because that's where all the blood is. Whacked out on a up and over, running ledger style like.
Do you want to give a bit of background about today's session?
We came out like originally planned on fishing Sully Island, but when we arrived there was a couple of people already fishing the mag. They'd obviously been on that over high water because the causeway was still covered with water when we arrived. So we've left and we've come to a different mag down Barry like, and we fished like down to low water with not a lot of success, and we've just come on the other side now, and yeah, happy days. Hopefully we'll get a couple more big blonde to follow, hopefully. Let's get this beauty back.
Let's have a quick look.
Spotted ray. Lovely. Here she goes. Thank you very much. And hopefully I'll catch you in a few years when you're a lot bigger.
Oh, she's coming back.
Oh, just look at the swim, old man.
Oh, lovely, look at that. That is lovely.
Got a good crab on it as well, haven't you? No, it's just a nice big Bristol Channel weed fish. Well in, brother. Let me get it for you, son. I'll do the honours.
Yeah,
let me land that for you, mate.
We'll let it go.
Well, she's off.
The release.
Yeah.
Release.
Bent the hooks out the flipping the weed fish did.